Okay, so our lesson this morning is about adjective. How to use adjective in series. So we all know that adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, right? Okay. Several adjectives can come one after the other to describe a person, a place, or a thing. So, it means gali class, ang adjectives pwede gali natin mapasunod sa sentence kung paano siya gamiton. May ara siya gali nga rules na dapat man natin sundon. Okay? Okay, so let us read the sentences inside the box. Okay, we have there one small nipa hat, the tall green trees, a big happy family, many friendly and kind neighbors. So notice all the bolded words inside the box that used in the sentence. So here are the questions. What words describe hut, trees, family, neighbors? The adjectives in these phrases come one after the other or in a series. So, as what you have noticed, class, in these phrases, the words one, the, a, and many come before the adjectives. So, they are called determiners. Okay, again, when we say determiners, those are words being used to tell the numbers of a noun or a pronoun that being described in the sentence. Okay, so this time I want you to get your notebook. Everybody, get your notebook or in your paper. Okay, so read these sentences. So what you are going to do, underline the adjectives being used in the sentence. Okay, number 1, we have there a small blue car is parked near our house. So, what is the adjective being used in the sentence, or what are the series of adjectives being used in the sentence? So, we have there a small blue car. Okay, next, number 2. Two dirty little boys were curious to see the car. So, what is the adjective again being used, or the series of adjective in the sentence? We have there two dirty little. Okay, very good. Next, number 3. A handsome tall man stepped out of the car. So again, the series of adjective being used is a handsome tall. So in the number 3 sentence, we can say that, or we can answer the question, who is handsome and tall? So your answer is a man. Okay, that's it. Okay, next, number 4. The man was holding a long red cane in his hand. So what is the series of an adjective being used? A long red. So you can ask this question. What is a long red? The answer is, it's a cane in his hand. Okay, last one example. Number 5. The frightened boys ran to a big white house nearby. So again, the series of an adjective being used is the frightened. So who are frightened? Of course, your answer is the boys. So here are the series of an adjective, class. So look at the chart given below. So the chart shows the order of an adjectives. So the first is we have our determiners like a or on, the, some, many, and of course the numbers like 2, 10, 1, or 3, and so on. That tells about our noun or pronoun in the sentence. Next to our determiners is opinion. So when we say opinion, it's a message expressing of a belief or judgment for a something like a pretty, dirty, ugly, poor, lovely, useful. Next, we have size. So we have example big, small, large, little, huge, tiny, and many more. But it tells about the size of something being talked in our sentence. It's our noun or a pronoun. Okay, next we have shape. So what are the example of shape? Round, square, flat, oblong, wide, narrow. So that's it. And next, after the shape, we have age, like old, young, 3-year-old, ancient. When we say ancient, so similar or synonym also with old, no? Elderly. So that's it. So after the age, we have color. So what are the example of colors? Red, yellow, black, blue, white, all the colors, no? And then of course, followed by the color is our nouns or pronouns. Of course, class, ang pinaka-last gina sa aton nga sentence or ang iya gina nga gina-describe naton ang noun. So again ha, so what are the series or the series of the adjective in the sentence? So we have first determiners followed by the opinion, size, shape, age, color, and the last one is our noun or pronoun. Okay, now what we need to remember. So most adjectives come before nouns. So tandaan nyo gid na class nga most of the adjectives makit-an gid na siya naton niya before the noun in the sentence. And determiners come before adjectives. So nauna kuno ang determiners sa aton nga adjective. Adjectives that tell opinion, size, shape, age, and color come in that order. So, it means when we say order, it's an arrangement. Hindi na pwede liwat. Dapat pasunod gid na sila. Hindi pwede nga si size na una kay opinion. So, hindi man pwede nga ang size na una kay opinion, si shape na una pa kay size, si age na una kay shape, kag si color na una kay age. So, dapat pasunod gid na class, no? Okay, so this time, it's time for our exercise. So, in your notebook, so you need to copy this. So, you write the determiner, adjectives, and nouns in each phrase in order they should come. So, in order ha, hindi pwede nga pagustuhan talang sila sulat dira. So, example, number 1 is already done for you. So, we have there tall, many buildings. So, the correct answer should be many tall buildings. So, nga dapat mauna si many kaysa kay tall. Because many is our determiners and tall tells about the size of a building. Building is our noun that being described in this phrase. Okay, now it's your turn. You will start in number 2 until to number 13. Okay? So, that's all for today, class, in our lesson about the series of adjective.